I'm trying to trace those birds. They're making a lot of noise from up here. E. Huh? A lot of trees. They're trying to eat some jamun. They're called jamun fruits. I don't know if they're up here. You know? Hey, good morning guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. On today's video is a special video, guys. I'm shooting this video all the way from our beautiful home here in Kenya, Africa. And also I'm with our great handsome dog. Hey, Sudhe, say hi. Say hi, Sudhe. Say hi. How are you? You good? Yeah? It's laughing. Have you ever seen a dog laughing? Look, it's smiling. Come on, man. Come on, man. Yeah, these are beautiful and very great security over here in the village. The name of this dog is Kude. You know, nowadays it has no access. Look how it's jumping. Come on, come on, come on. You see how it jump? Come, 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 come. Come. This is our neighbor's dog. Come, 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 come. And it looks bigger than Sude, but Sude sometimes it takes it away from this compound. You know, nowadays it doesn't trespass to the neighbors because we put some poles and other stuffs, you know. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. And I really appreciate your love and support. And I want to know what do you think about this video, and what do you think also about how everything is around here in Kenya, Africa. I just want to take you a little what we call like a tour of our land, that we want to do what we call like a farm more over here. It actually does well. This is kales. They are here over 1 year plus. These kales are here 1 year plus. It's only that chicken have been destroying them much, but it's really great and very nice, as you see. But this place all I want to make what you call like transfer the watermelons that I used to farm over there to this place. Let me know also at the comment section what do you think about it. The reason why I'm transferring to plant here the watermelons, watch this video to the end, you know the reason why I'm focusing farming near our just here. And check on this, we have some bananas that are already ripe, and some kids are already trespassing, stealing some and whatever, but that's it. So we had some last stock, and that stock was really what you call like I put it aside because one of our own brother said that, man, don't ever finish those watermelons before I purchase. So because of 1 2 3, and also I was busy running some errands, taking some of the watermelons to the orphanage, taking some of the watermelons to the other side. So when he saw the video, he was like, man, don't finish those watermelons. I really love to support you because you've been doing a really good job. So this day today, he called me and told me, man, he sent me a message and told me, please do some delivery of those watermelons to my home. And with me, with all due respect, I couldn't have eaten his what you call like his watermelons, or that do anything wrong with the watermelons, because once you tell me that please keep for me 2 or 3 of watermelons, or any stuff that I'll be selling, I'll have to keep that for you. So it was the last stock over the good ones that I selected. Both of the watermelons were good, but those were the ones that I selected. I put them aside for him for the due respect. And now I want to do what we call like deliver. But before that, I want to share why I prefer to put watermelons on this land. Is that the other side of my dreamland, it has been happening a lot of theft, and you know, sometimes time, because I haven't built there, I haven't built even a small structure that will really help in security purposes. So I prefer to put them here, to put the watermelons around here. Despite also, you know, distance, the distance is really, let me put my cape this way. So the distance has been also affecting, because the time I'll go to my dreamland over there to go check on maybe how steps has been, it takes a lot of time. And also, you know, watermelons, for one to grow watermelons, it really needs a very critical time, very, like, it needs attention. What I mean, it needs attention. Like, it's a plant that really wants you to check on it each and every single time and every day. So with that, really hinders me to go the other side. But I'm not going to leave that land that way. I'm going to plant there some capsicums and other stuffs, and also maize. So I prefer to exchange this with my dad. My dad gifted me this land. That, oh man, you can plow it and do some magic on it. And I give much thanks to my wife also. She surprised me with that tractor. She did what we call like plowing. So tomorrow I'll bring oxen, or you'll see me. I was trying to do what we call like benchmarking on putting the furrows, all the seed bed. You know, a watermelon wants, for you want to grow a watermelon, it wants soft loamy soil. So you cannot just plant watermelons anywhere. Yes, they'll grow, but they'll not give you the best yields. So this is what I was doing this morning. I was trying to prepare something like this. You see, it's so big up to the other side, very, very nice. So I was trying to soften the soil and bring it, but I saw it was a lot of work, so I decided to bring cows, because the oxen makes better, and then you can now soften it well. So that's what I was doing all along. So I was just trying to do a benchmark of this, and I saw it's a very, very, very nice. So yeah, all the way. So I want to shift and put here some watermelons, and some days later I'll put here maybe even a security light. The security light will help us to chase away thieves, and also maybe dogs that are moving around the shamba. Today I'll be delivering some oh man, I bought this rope, and this guy who came with the tractor, this is my goat's rope. So this rope belongs to my goat. So that's why I wondered, why is the goat having a short rope and others are having long ropes? So this guy came with the tractor and cut this one. But anyway, let's put that aside. The mission is, why am I transferring why am I focusing on planting watermelons near home rather than going and plant them on my dreamland? Over here, actually my home is just right here, and this is the post of electricity that we use. So over here also, to give me ample time to just check on it, see who is maybe moving on our land, checks on what's happening on this other end. Very, very, just like time, it will give me sufficient time to move, rather than maybe going to my dreamland over there and having other stuffs. You know, maybe you don't know who has really gone through your land. You know, most people, they have a habit of trespassing through people's land without the owner's permission. And when you ask, no, everybody says, no, it's not me, it's not me, it's not me. So actually over here also, my family members will be really helping me to do what you call like look after people who will be maybe moving around. And also sometimes I reduce in maybe financial status, like doing what you call like employing people to help me. So some of my family members will be helping, even if I'm not around, they can check on that. So that's point number one. Number two, security purposes, which is the main. Number three, time. You know, the time that I'm spending from here to the other side, it's the time that I could have even sprayed what you call like chemicals or fertilizer, something like that. And also we have water near here also from the borehole. In case of anything, I can just do what we call like pump water from the borehole to this other end. So yeah, this is our beautiful home. This was the gate that you saw I prepared the other time when I was doing what we call like just trying to restructure our home. So security purposes around, and this is it. So today I will be doing what we call like delivery of our last stock of watermelons, and that will be Chef Matiko's home. So I want to rush there right now and gift her mom the gift of watermelons that wow. Chef Batiko has really purchased like a support, you know. So in the village here, we always have to support each other. So that's what you see. Like when you grow this, okay, I'll support you by buying maybe 10 of them or 5 of them, despite what you see online. Sometimes things on the ground goes on as you know, we live to create peace and harmony. Wow, I love birds. Let me show you some of the birds. I don't know if I'll be able to see them, but let me show you something. Oh my god. Oh, they have heard me. They have heard me. They are up here. They have heard me, so they are not going to make noise anymore. That's the most funny thing with these birds. Oh yeah, okay. Up there. I don't know, we call them zambarau or jamun fruits. Okay. So when they hear me here, they just shift to the other tree, because we have these different trees of we have two trees of these jamun fruits. So that's why you see they shift. When they hear me here, they rush over there. This is our beautiful compound, and that's our bulletproof house over there. Over here we have fruits, also trees, amazing compound. Yeah, so let me see you on the other side when I'm delivering some last stock. So for those who are willing maybe to make some orders for watermelon, maybe you can do what we call like maybe next time, because by December we'll be having also watermelons. That's why you see I'm preparing land. I'm doing some preparing land. I'm doing what we call like a lot of things. So let me show you something, okay? Sorry guys, this is out there. So I wanna pick, those are the remaining stock that you see. Very big, you cannot even carry this one like this with one hand. Listen, if you hear a watermelon speck inside like that, which means inside is sugar. So we have this one and this one. So I had to put them under the bed right here, so that nobody can come and steal them from here. Actually, I'm in my grandma's room, so that's why you see on this other side. So let me do what you call like carry this and deliver them. Okay. Oh my god, I just have to put them inside here. Just have to put them inside here so that I can do. Oh, if they fall down, you see like this one. Yeah? If they fall down, hey, and already have eaten money. Also we have this one. So we have also this one here. This one is the biggest. We have two big and one medium, like this one. Yeah. So if you support me more, guys, we'll be having better yields of watermelons over here, because people fear to, most of the people around here fear to farm more so watermelons. So we also have cash crops, two cash crops that people love to farm over here. That's tobacco and maybe maize and beans. So people fear to farm something like cabbages. People fear to farm something like watermelons, you know, capsicum. So they prefer to buy them from Tanzania. Little did they know that people farm in Kenya, and because we are near the border of Kenya and Tanzania, they shift them to Tanzania, and then you go buy them and they say, hey, I bought this from Tanzania. No, we farmers, we know tricks. And that's one thing I came to realize about that. Anyway, let's deliver. Let's do some delivery. Do some delivery. Oh man, very heavy and too heavy. Right. So Chef Matiko, your watermelons are here. I want to deliver them with this, slowly by slowly. Okay. So today we are delivering. See how big they are. One way to Chef Matiko's home right now. Okay, see you there. Just in a few few minutes, like 1, 2, we will be there. Okay. We're leaving sweet home and let's do delivery. Slowly by slowly. Yay! Just like that, and we are gone. Pole pole. Alright guys, see you there. Delivery machine. And we just came from home. Those are the biggest stones from there. And let's do some delivery. Pole pole. Or slowly but slowly. You know? People building, man. Look. Slowly. Hey, people going at supersonic speed. Hey. Let's just go slowly by slowly. No rush, no rush. Because we are carrying some delicate stuffs. Handle with care, fragile one, you know. Okay. Yeah, so guys, I just arrived. So let me do what we call like do some delivery and heading back, okay? Hey. Just so let's do delivery. So guys, well done. So let us make hodi. Wait, you must know. In Africa you have to say hodi. What? I don't know if you have to push or to hodi. Delivery gone wrong. Oh, they have had. So just delivering and yeah man, this is a big congratulations to Chef Matiko, man. You know, it's a very big achievement actually, you know. God bless, man. And this area actually it has developed. There's someone over there also has decided to come up with a story building over there. Over here, hey, over here it's good houses, okay? And there's also development of road. There's a development of roads. That's why you see they have been doing what you call like good development of roads, and everything security top notch. Look, now this is Chef Matiko's home, man. When I see this, I feel so much happy, and you know, I know that it is Almighty God. So we just arrived. This is how everything is. There's a church here. There is electricity. Oh man, electricity. Well, electricity. Very nice roads. These are being done recently. Even a neighbor has electricity. Very good. Nice gate. Hey, it will be called Sheldon Gate. And our motorbike is here. So Milay wait. And delivery to mom, and that will be much okay. You know? Okay, and I love the fact that, you know, village gates you have to put your hand like this. So this you can put and open, but there's this one you have to use your key. I love this, man. It is very good. Even if our former gate where we used to stay could have this rock, they couldn't have stolen our TV. But man, Chef Matiko, man, big 5 to you, man. Very big congratulations. You have done a very good job over here. You know? Hey, I was very stupid actually. I was myself, you know. I never knew that this one you have to push from here. So I've been making a lot of hodi. So we just arrived. Hey man, it has a very nice, there's a big project also ongoing. And this is who? Hodi jaman. Hey. Yeah, what's that? Hodi.
Karibu tata, karibu sana.
Chef, we have arrived.
Matunda hata ni mazito.
Mazito baba. Yeah, so Chef Matiko.
Karibu sana.
Asante mama.
Umeniletea matunda?
Kwa shamba yangu.
Ay.
Na chef akasema lazima ni support kidogo na yeye. Akasema guys, this is Matiko's mom. And yeah, mama unaonaje matunda? Unajua watu wanaona kwa video waseme ni ndogo.
Yaani si nimefurahia. Ya umeniletea vitu venye ninapenda.
Wewe mama, hata ningejua ile muda jua chef aliniambia. Niambia nimwachie kama 3.
Na sikuwa alijua kama nimekuja sasa ndio
hata hizi nilikuwa nimezitunza tu kwa ajili yake. Jua aliniambia nitunzie, alinipigia simu kama 1 week. Aliniambia wakati navuna nimtunzie yake. Sasa nilikuwa nimemaliza. Ndio leo akaniambia, "Wewe, zile watermelon ziko." Nikamwambia,
karibu ndani,
Asante mama. Nakupelekea kusaidia kubeba hii. Asante. So, unajua mimi nikudeliver tu na nikimbie. You guys. Mama hata. Bado niko shamba. So guys, we just arrived and this is the beautiful home. And has it. Mom is like, "Hey, kadongo fridge that," which means I'll put it in the fridge. So, yeah. So, mama unasema hata neno moja sasa. Wenye watuangalia.
Mimi sasa nitaongea kwa Kiswahili.
Sawa, ila shida mama.
Hapa tuko ndani ya nyumba yangu.
Yes.
Jina hata nimesahau.
Claude Joseph.
Tuko na Claude Joseph ndani ya Casa de Mama.
Casa de Mama.
Yeah, nimefurahi sana maana amenitembelea na amenisurprise. Yaani amenisurprise kama sijui. Nimestukia tu amekuja. Na ninashukuru Mungu kwa sababu pia surprising sinakuaga smart.
Kabisa mama. Nashukuru pia.
Amenisurprise na watermelon makubwa. Yaani nitakula roll by roll. Nitaeka kwa fridge.
Pole.
Sasa hapa nimefurahi sana.
Nashukuru pia.
Nimefurahi Claude Joseph.
Yes.
Asubuhi ya leo ni asubuhi njema maana nimepata mgeni. Claude Joseph amenitembelea ndani ya Casa de Mama, ndani ya nyumba ya mama. Sasa Casa de Mama ni mimi mwenyewe hapa. Amenisurprise na matunda, watermelon kubwa. Nimefurahi sana. Sasa subscribe.
Thank you so much.
Subscribe. Claude Joseph, comment, share.
And like.
Yeah.
Asante mama. Guys, this is Chef Matiko's mom. And today we are at Casa de Mama. So which means Casa means house, so mom's house. Inside here is a very beautiful house. Very beautiful and very good job well done by Matiko and Chef Matiko actually. And we to Almighty God for the blessings. Asante mama, nashukuru.
Sasa ubaya ni venye hujakaa hata tukuja jamani.
Sasa
nitembelee.
Nitakuja mama.
Juu sasa hata yani hata umestukia tu. Sikujua.
Nitakuja.
Hata nijiandae sasa nikijua. Leta na mgeni jamani, hata ajue kwangu.
Nitamleta.
Haya, karibu sana.
Asante mama, asante, nitakuja.
Sawa.
Thank you. So I just delivered the watermelons and you saw the reception was very nice. I'm very much happy. Very happy, and now it's time to go back home, man. Hey. Okay, just like that. La Casa de Mama. The Casa de Mama. Yeah, so that was Chef Matiko's mom, and yeah, this was the last delivery of all until maybe November or December, where we'll be having also watermelon. So I will be showing you just a little bit of how the road is, and right here, and very nice. I appreciate, and let's head back home. Okay, time to head back home. And, I have to put on my protective gears like that, and We are now going. And yeah, so we are heading home. Home sweet home. Yeah. And that's just the beautiful way, and very beautiful, nice time to move. And the road is really wow. Usimte Kenya aliyekubeba. That's how that motorbike is being written. Usimte Kenya aliyekubeba, which means don't trickle the one who has carried you at the back. He'll just leave you and fall down. Yeah, so this is the best way, and we are heading back home. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate your love and support. I really appreciate each and every person who supported Claude Joseph Farm. May Almighty God bless you. Be blessed home, and road to 30,000 subscribers. And bye bye, guys. Bye.